Create and assign vehicle routing profiles. Vehicle routing profiles are essential tools in Account Manager that fleet managers use to plan safe, efficient, and legally permissible routes for specific vehicle types in CoPilot. You can remotely create and assign routing profiles to groups of vehicles or drivers, streamlining the planning process and ensuring compliance with local regulations. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating and assigning vehicle routing profiles in Account Manager. Let's begin. Creating a routing profile. To create a new vehicle routing profile, select Vehicle Routing Profiles in the Configure Fleet Settings menu on the left. The Vehicle Routing Profiles screen loads. Saved routing profiles are listed here. Select the Create Vehicle Routing Profile button at the top right of the screen. The new Vehicle Routing Profile dialog box loads. Enter a name in the Vehicle Routing Profile name field. Trimble recommends using a unique name to make it easier for the driver to select the correct profile. Click the Save and Continue button. Expand the drop-down menu to select a routing profile template. Under Profile Settings, expand the Vehicle Dimensions settings and edit the values as needed. Click the blue question mark icon next to the preference name to learn more about what each does. Expand the Routing Preferences settings. Set the options appropriately for the routing profile. Options include routing type, ability to use toll roads and ferries, allowing border crossings, and more. Select Restrictions to expand the restriction settings. Choose the appropriate hazmat designation from the drop-down menu. Use the drop-down menu to enable or disable the display restrictions on map setting. Click the Save and Continue button. Select the checkbox next to each vehicle group you want to assign to the routing profile. Click the Save and Continue button. Click Done to complete the routing profile. From the Vehicle Routing Profiles page, you can select one or more profiles to be the default for assets not assigned to any group. You have completed the Create and Assign Vehicle Routing Profiles training video. To learn more about this product, visit our Learning Center to access on-demand training and online help.